Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a braid out on my hair. Right now this is a twist out that got wet because I went to work out and I just wet my hair with the spray bottle and then pulled it back into a ponytail. When I took it out, this is what it's looking like. If you guys want to see how I do a braid out on my hair, please keep watching. I'm going to go ahead and spray all over my hair. Okay, so now that my hair is wet and nice and damp, I'm gonna separate it by how I want to wear it. And I usually go for a middle part. This does not have to be perfect because I part everything with my fingers, but I'm gonna do this section in the front first so you guys can see what I'm doing. I guess I can go ahead and part this side too. Okay, so there you go. Separate the back from the front. Okay, so in all my hair videos, I use the lock method to do my hair, which is, if you don't know, it's liquid or a leave-in conditioner, an oil, and then a cream or a butter. So what I use is, I got this from the dollar store. It's just it's an argan oil. I think it says it's a 4-in-1 leave-in conditioner as my leave-in conditioner. And then I got this also from the dollar store. This is just regular coconut oil. And then I use 100% African shea butter as my cream or butter. And I also use Eco Styler gel just for the tips of my hair so that they'll still have some curl in them, because I do kind of need a trim in my hair and I just don't really feel like cutting it. So yeah, I use that so that my ends aren't frizzy. So this section has water in it, so I'm just going to use, literally I just use a little bit, this much of the leave-in conditioner so that my hair doesn't get too oily. So I'll put that all up in this section like so, especially the ends. Then I go ahead and detangle with just the leave-in conditioner in there. When my hair is wet like this, the comb kind of just glides through, but if it was wet, I would have so many tangles. Would not be able to brush through it like this. Okay, so now that it's detangled, I go ahead and get my coconut oil, and all I do is dip my finger in there, and that's literally all the coconut oil I use, which you're really not going to be able to see that, but that's it for the oil. Now I go ahead and get my African shea butter. I use about that much. And then I'll go ahead and start braiding. So as you guys can see, I had already finished this braid, and I'm just going to jump back in with the rest of my hair. My hair actually dried because I've been sitting here for a while trying to do all that. So I'm going to re-wet it with a couple spritz of water. I'm actually thinking about changing over to some rose water. I've been hearing a lot of good reviews about rose water and how it's really good for your hair. And instead of using Eco Styler, I'm gonna try and switch over to some aloe vera gel, and then later I'm gonna make some flaxseed gel because I hear that that's really good for your hair too. Hey guys, I just came back on here to show you what my hair is looking like. Okay, filming this took me a good hour and some change because I had to stop and watch YouTube while I did my hair because it's boring to just sit and watch yourself on a camera do your hair. I'm about to put on my satin bonnet to protect my hair while I sleep. And I have to go to work really early tomorrow, but I'm going to try my best to wake up so that I can show you guys what my hair looks like. But for now, yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm about to put my bonnet on and go to bed. See you guys tomorrow.